very comfortable. First off, I have to admit, I had no idea I even had it on. And I mean, I knew they were doing the procedure, but I didn't feel it when my leg was wrapped. So I was very nervous about coming back to have that taken off because my prior experience with staples and sutures was not pleasant. When I came back, I was pleasantly surprised. They took the wrap off, they took off the zip closure. I didn't feel a thing. It was amazing. And the best part was in 8 days, when I had it taken off, my knee looked already amazing, in my opinion, way more than I was expecting. Enough that I put it on Facebook, so there you go.